Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing cartoons. You can find them everywhere: Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Michael's, Joann's, all over the place. So I hope you'll take a look for them. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute koala bear. And I mean cute. I love these guys. The heads are so big. The bodies are small but still plump. So let's give this a try. Start off with a kind of oval for the top. Real sketchy stuff just to start, and then we kind of define it as we go along. And we'll have him facing this way. So here's the body like this. Here's the back, doing the back here. And we'll give him a little chunky little thigh like that, and a little koala foot under here. Just a little indication of one. Just like this. We'll bring this little tummy up here, and the other thigh will come out just a little bit. All right, so we have the basic starting place. Now I'm going to have him almost facing forward to us. The body's this way, but the face will be over here. And the koala's main difference from another kind of bear, well, two differences: the ears and also the bridge of the nose. He'll have a big nose like this, and I'm going to darken it in with my pen in a minute. We can bridge the nose here like this. And instead of having the mouth down below where it should be, the koala's mouth is very close to the nose. Kind of emphasizes it, just like this. You see that? Now the two eyes spread far apart. Nice and round. Some eyes are not round, very tall or very oval. So these are going to be round ones. And he's going to have also round, big emphasis. We're going to emphasize those pupils also instead of little dots. Sometimes you'll see that in cartoons. We're going to round them off, make them large, like this. Fill that in. Now let's shape the side of the head. Nice and round for the forehead. We'll come out here for the cheek area. Like this. Pardon me, that's my phone. Hold on, I'll get it. No, I'm not going to get it. I'm sticking with you guys. I don't care who's calling me. Probably some person trying to sell me a new warranty or something that I don't want. Big, straight eyebrows. And we'll bring this out and give that cheek area a little definition here too, like this. Now we'll give him the big ears. So I talked about those big fuzzy ears on either side, like this. Show some definition in here, and a little fuzziness on the sides like that. And let's see. I'm going to bring this down a touch, like that. And bring that front arm down straight and make it kind of pudgy on the side. Little fingers. I'm going to bring this back a little too close to the eye. I want it back a little, give the mouth a little bit more emphasis. And they have this fun little chin that people like. I like it too. Now, I'm looking at this thinking, it's fine, but I think I'll make the eyes a little smaller and make them look straight ahead at us. I just think that might look better. Let's see what you think. Have I made an extraordinarily bad mistake? Will life on Earth end as we know it? No, it won't. It's okay. It's okay. The koala saved it. Yeah, see, there we go. Here we go. And it has this kind of way of like looking sideways, which is kind of funny. Okay, now I think it's time to give it a shot with the pen and see how we can bring it on to fruition. Okay, so stop. I feel like that's Three Stooges kind of guy here. Okay. The back goes down like this, all the way down, and we're going to put a little line here for the ground. Some grass or eucalyptus leaves or something. Here is the arm. See See, it's flat and round. That gives it a little bit of variety, which is kind of fun, and a character. And some ruffles over here, like that. Gonna bring that thigh in like this. Like so. A fun little triangular nose, upside down triangle. Actually, I shouldn't say upside down triangle because there's no right side up triangle. A triangle is a triangle. Trick question. Okay, hold on a second. Now, here is this mouth close to the bottom of the nose, as we said. That is something you see really just on the koala bear as opposed to other types. And let's be careful with the eyes so we'll get them right. Okay, here we go. Same thing on this side. And like that. Let's get those pupils big and floating right in the middle of the eye. And I'll give him cute little eyebrows facing up so he looks nice and happy, and why not? He doesn't pay taxes. So let's see, the forehead like this, and out here with the ruffles. Now a few ruffles here to define the belly. A little bit on top. Okay, like this, and we'll bring those ears out. These are the fun parts right here. That's really so unique for this little guy. Why do people like these guys so much? Big and pudgy and different. It's not your ordinary bear, and people like that. Okay, so here we go. There is one for you. I'll erase a little bit of this, like so, just to clean it up for both of us to take a look at. Pump, 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 pump. Here we go. Your cute koala. And remember, the front is the top. The head is almost in a front view. Little to the side, and this is in a side view, so they don't have to agree. You can shift the head and the body. All right, there you go. I hope you liked it. I liked it too. Now listen, please subscribe. I have new videos every week, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.